The 2020 Ferrari F8 Spider. The Ferrari F8 Spider is the convertible version of the F8 Tributo. It replaces the outgoing Ferrari 488 Spider in the lineup, and just like its coupe counterpart, it features technology and underpinnings from the track-bred 488 Pista. While not as dynamic as the 488 Pista Spider, it's a solid improvement over the 488 Spider. The F8 Spider joins a prestigious bloodline of drop-top V8 sports cars that begun with the iconic 308 GTS back in 1977. Ferrari's most powerful V8 convertible alongside the 488 Pista Spider, the F8 Spider arrives just in time to compete with the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. It also goes against the McLaren 720S Spider, yet another fine example of the high-performance sports car market. Find out what sets apart the F8 Spider from its predecessors and how it compares with its rivals in the detailed review below. Exterior. The F8 combines design features from the outgoing 488 with a few unique styling cues. The F8 Spider is essentially an F8 Tributo with a retractable roof and a redesigned engine hood and rear decklet, so it sports all the changes that Ferrari made compared to the old 488 GTB. Just like the Portofino and the 812 Superfast, both extensive facelifts of their predecessors, the F8 combines design features from the outgoing 488 with a few unique styling cues. Ferrari also borrowed features from the track-ready 488 Pista, so the F8 Spider basically bridges the gap between the regular 488 Spider and the 488 Pista Spider. The front fascia is obviously identical to the coupe model. The bumper is based on the 488 Pista, featuring the same V-shaped opening in the center and large outlets on the sides, while the smaller vents at the corners suggest improved aerodynamics over the 488 Spider. The nose was redesigned from scratch, and it's even more aggressive than the 488 Pista Spider. It also extends more above the splitter, a feature that suggests an F1-inspired design.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.